Spanish with Jessica Diaz, the verb ir. In Spanish, the verb ir means to go. In Spanish, verbs must be conjugated to reflect the subject of a sentence. First, let's take a look at the different conjugations of the verb ir. Then, we will see how to use them in different sentences. Here you can see all the conjugations of the verb ir. Yo voy, I go. Tú vas, you go. Él va, he goes. Ella va, she goes. Usted va, you formal go. Nosotros vamos, we go. Nosotras vamos, we feminine go. Vosotros vais, y'all go. Vosotras vais, y'all feminine go. Ellos van, they go. Ellas van, they feminine go. Ustedes van, you all go. Now let's take a look at 5 sentences that will help us see how to use the verb ir. First, I go home after school. I would use the conjugation voy for I go, so the translation is Yo voy a casa después de la escuela. Second, you go to the city every weekend. I would use the conjugation vas for you go, so the translation is Tú vas a la ciudad cada fin de semana. Third, she goes to the store on Tuesdays. I would use the conjugation va for she goes, so the translation is Ella va a la tienda los martes. Fourth, we go to work at 8 o'clock in the morning. I would use the conjugation vamos for we go, so the translation is Nosotros vamos a trabajar a las 8 de la mañana. Our fifth and last example, they go to school together. I would use the conjugation van for they go, so the translation is Ellos van a la escuela juntos. Thanks for watching Spanish with Jessica Diaz, the verb ir, brought to you by Learning with Jessica Diaz. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, be sure to subscribe.